For hydraulic manifold manufacturer who is able to meet 2 mm valve hole accuracy, Mike only found AAK in China. Recently, hydraulic manifold manufacturer AAK received a new message from Mike, who works at a listed company in the United States. According to his introduction, they usually purchase hydraulic cartridge valves from India, produce manifold blocks from the local hydraulic manifold manufacturers in the United States, and then assemble them for sale to the end customers. 2 years ago, they attempted to work with a hydraulic manifold manufacturers in China. Recently, a hydraulic manifold with valve hole 2 mm accuracy was still not confirmed yet with any hydraulic manifold manufacturer after over 1 month, which made him very anxious. After communication, we learned that Mike had tested samples with 3 hydraulic manifold manufacturers, all of which were not approved due to the 2 mm accuracy valve hole. I told him that the key to this accuracy lies in the subsequent precision machining. I also asked him curiously why he chose Indian instead of purchasing from hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers in China. Mike said that 8 years ago, the cartridge valves were produced by the preferred Chinese hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers. But after being disappointed several times, they chose an Indian hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturer. I felt a bit under pressure. If the 2 mm accuracy valve hole cannot be achieved by hydraulic manifold manufacturer in China this time, will Mike also choose Indian hydraulic manifold manufacturers in the future? Half of AAK's American customers are abandoning Indian hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers in favor of AAK. If AAK solves Mike's difficulties of the manifold this time, I believe AAK will also be his new supplier of hydraulic cartridge valves in China. I sent him a video about precision machining of valve holes. Most hydraulic manifold manufacturers choose forming tools for the machining of valve holes, which are formed by machining centers in one go, neglecting the precision machining process of valve holes and affecting the accuracy of valve holes. This kind of process is no longer feasible for 2 mm accuracy valve hole. Mike requested AAK to send 2 samples, and they were sent out 35 days later. For this 2 mm accuracy valve hole, AAK used German's Geharing high-precision CNC honing machine for precision machining. Our first step is to activate the equipment's measurement system to detect the precise position of the fixture and avoid precision deviation caused by the residual debris. This small detail is almost ignored by the majority of hydraulic manifold manufacturers. During the honing process of the valve hole, the travel speed reaches 60 meters per minute, and the detector is installed. Hydraulic manifold manufacturer AAK has a targeted process design and its own small details. You can also give it a try.